Protesters and government agents faced off outside a federal building in Portland over the weekend. The tension comes as a federal judge on Saturday temporarily blocked U.S. President Donald Trump from deploying 200 Oregon National Guard troops to the city. The ruling by U.S. District Judge Karen Immergut is a setback for Trump as he tries to deploy the military to cities he describes as lawless against the wishes of those cities' Democratic leaders. Immergut was appointed by Trump during his first term. She said there was no evidence that recent protests rose to the level of a rebellion or seriously interfered with law enforcement. While Trump described the city as, quote, war-ravaged, lawyers from the Oregon Attorney General's office have said that protests in Portland were, quote, small and sedate. They recorded only 25 arrests in June and 0 arrests since the middle of that month. Immergut wrote, quote, the president's determination was simply untethered to the facts. The Trump administration appealed the decision late Saturday. A White House spokesperson said, quote, we expect to be vindicated by a higher court. Trump has already sent the National Guard to police Los Angeles and Washington, D.C., and has threatened to send troops elsewhere. Illinois Democratic Governor J.B. Pritzker said on Saturday that Trump was preparing to send 300 National Guard troops to Chicago over his objections. Protesters confronted Border Patrol agents in military fatigues and carrying rifles in Chicago's Brighton Park neighborhood on Saturday. Miriam Eva Perez was sprayed with tear gas.
This is Brighton Park! This is not a war zone! We're not fucking threat! Get the fuck out of here!
Right. That pool house is my house. I live in there.
Did you get tear gas? You live right here, yes! They're fucking driving out the fucking neighborhood and throwing tear gas out the window!
The Department of Homeland Security said Border Patrol agents shot an armed woman in Chicago on Saturday. A DHS spokesperson described an incident where a group, including the woman who was shot, rammed their cars into vehicles used by ICE agents. A DHS statement said the woman who was shot was a U.S. citizen who drove herself to the hospital. No additional information was immediately available about the woman's condition.